Terry from Midwest Auto Care and Transmission Center. If you're having a challenge with your transmission, we can help. Not only do we specialize in transmission repair, we also offer a free transmission inspection. The inspection includes checking the level and condition of your transmission fluid. We road test your vehicle to check all your shift points and performance. We visually inspect transmission external controls. We'll do a computer scan to check for any trouble codes, and we will advise you on any needed repairs. We also offer an exceptional warranty. Our basic warranty is a 2-year, 24,000 mile warranty. We also offer a 3-year, 100,000 mile nationwide warranty. If you have a challenge with your vehicle anywhere in the country within that time period, it'll be taken care of for you. Not only that, we also offer financing. We offer an option of a 6-month or 12-month interest-free financing if that is something you might be interested in. Please give us a call at Midwest Auto Care and Transmission Center and let us know how we can help you.